Before we get into this morning's update, I want to go over a quick synopsis of what's transpiring. First, XRP's price is under 77 cents. As for the first time, we've fallen outside the bull flag formation. And now if we get a proper rejection here, we could have a signal for a further drop down. This is a typical consolidation right now until it's not. We've had XRP whales selling. We've had 250 million worth of XRP sold. I'll go over that. So yes, the whales are starting to take some profit here, so that's something to watch as the SEC versus Ripple case takes another twist. As last night I shared the 6-page official document number 49 where the SEC has in fact hinted, more than hinted, that they're going to appeal the XRP decision, flat out calling it wrong in 6-page report. So that's something to pay attention to, ladies and gentlemen. So right now the XRP price is just under 77 cents, and we need to desperately get the bulls' attention here and try to hold the support as XDC is having a hell of a day today. It's up 21% right now. As we talked about, it was its turn. We didn't know within the next couple days or a week when it would run, but we knew it would have that exact move. So now we're up over 5 cents, so we'll see what happens with XDC. As now that's just becoming a tremendous buy that we've had at around the 2.9 level. And then we're also going to have to take a look at XLM as it's up about 4.6% on the day. But on this update, we're going to focus on XRP, and I'm going to do it in segments today. XRP in this update because it's so critical to at least have the information for XRP's chart so you know if and when we're going to break down or how we're going to bounce out. And then I'll come back in a little bit, do XDC and XLM as well in separate updates, just so we can get the community separated so that all the information doesn't get lost in the shuffle. Make sure you hit that like button as it will greatly help push me through the analytics. And if you're an XRP holder, do not sell. This is where you hold strong, and if we do collapse and break down, we can buy more when we get 20% below our buy-in and use that strategy. And most importantly, positivity over negativity. It's our job to start this Saturday with positivity. If we have positivity over negativity, we don't let our emotions make a decision for us, and we can make the most informed and proper decision. Make sure you hit that like button and stick around until after the intro. Good morning, 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Saturday, July 22nd, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So as we can see, I want to read this article real quick. XRP price loses momentum as profit-taking begins. Ripple XRP prices drop below 80 cents as some investors begin to book some profits toward the end of the week. Relative Strength Index RSI has crossed 70 level from above, suggesting the SC victory euphoria is now wearing off. As price slipped below 80 cents, cohort of price-savvy whale investors spent the last 3 trading days offloading 320 million XRP tokens. After multiple failed attempts at the breaking above the 85-cent resistance, some XRP investors have entered profit-taking mode. As the XRP price loses momentum, can the bulls defend the 70-cent support level? Right now, we're slightly below at 697. The ongoing XRP price rally appears to have lost momentum after hitting a roadblock around the 85-cent mark. On-chain indicators suggest that whale investors could soon succumb to the brewing bearish momentum. The XRP price rally is gradually losing steam. According to the Relative Strength Index data, the XRP price rally is set to slow down considerably in the coming days, as seen below after racing to a euphoric highs after the positive SEC ruling. The XRP RSI has dropped below the critical 70 mark, hitting 68.24 at the close of July 21st. The Relative Strength Index evaluates the strength and momentum of a price trend. When the RSI angle below the 70 level from above, it suggests the underlying asset is facing growing selling pressure and could be due for a price correction. So whale investors are taking profits as momentum slows. Likewise, the growing bearish sentiment among a critical cluster of whale investors also validates the pessimistic XRP price projection. As shown below, the XRP whales holding 10 million to 100 million XRP coins appear to have started taking some profit. Between July 18th and July 22nd, they offloaded 320 million coins from their wallet balances. With the XRP price currently hovering around 78 cents, now it's down, as we know, a little bit. Below that, the recent withdrawals are worth $250 million. Notably, historical data shows that the trading patterns of this cluster of whales have been closely correlated to price trends in recent months. Evidently, their selling frenzy has played a critical role in the XRP stagnating below the 80 cents in the last few days. And then the XRP price prediction, the bears could target 70 cents. As the XRP price loses momentum, the bulls are unlikely to scale 85-cent resistance in the coming days. In indication, the MRV ratio confirms that the majority of holders that bought XRP in the last 30 days have watched their profits dwindle down towards 20%. Historical data suggests that many of them could sell under profit, drop to 10% around 71 cents. But if the bears push past that support level, XRP could drop further towards the 65 cents before the bulls can regroup. So that correlates beautifully with what we're seeing on the chart, down 0.57%. And we've fallen outside of this bull flag for the first time. So when we have this measured, we've shown it here on this 762 because that seems to be the area where it would have to hold. And then you'd have to bounce back within the formation. If we did come down, get rejected here, and unable to get back above the 77.3 level approximately, this could force us down here to the 746. That's the overrun here that we could hit either one or the other before it bounce up. As we know, if we were to bounce up, possibly we would come up to $1.13 or $1.10 if we came down to the next level at 742. But right now we're looking for a firm bounce at 762. We have fallen outside of the bull flag, so this becomes a major alert here. And with the news of the SEC going to appeal on a 6-page official document, number 49, I encourage every one of you to watch that. I did it in the live, but I also did a about roughly 10-minute video where all I did was went through the official document and read it for each and every one of you. So right now, if XRP does in fact get rejected here, the technical target out of here, first we would have 70, the swing low at about 673 would be the biggest area to target. If we can't hold the swing low, then we would have a much bigger drop. So right now, XRP's on the verge of having a big drop here if we can't get back within the bull flag, at least a big retest. And the momentum is dwindling here as the bulls have sold. So this is what we're seeing this morning. There's nothing more I can talk about here. In the 1 hour, we've had a bearish cross. But remember, in the weekly, we still have this golden cross, but we've got a lot of room to correct still, even if we're going to push up higher. It's just, it is what it is. We could come all the way down to 67, or we could use the 762 or 746 as a support. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're looking to trade XRP or your favorite crypto, video description below, we've got Mexi and or BitGet. If you're not in the States or you're already a current user, fantastic platforms. But if you're in the USA, we've got Femex. No spot, well, the spot fees are very low, and you don't have to use a KYC if you're just transferring from exchange to exchange. So I highly encourage it up to $50,000. If you're taking advantage of their 0.9% deposit fee on credit cards or bank deposits, then you would have to do a KYC. But you don't need a VPN to use the exchange in the USA. So pay attention to XRP. If we continue breaking down, we're going to have a nice little correction here. 746 would be your next target, and then if we lose that, 67.3 is roughly that swing low. So pay attention. Otherwise, we're going to get a bounce back this morning, and we'll come back within this bull flag setup. And at some point in this daily candle, we're going to get back above the 777 level. Stay blessed, everybody.